satellite scan.
Jy sê hy's af in Golden Drive.
Yes.
Op Golden Drive.
In Golden Drive, die gaan sets af op die N12. Daai kar is daar.
En jy het nog nie gesien dat hy terugkom nie.
Ek wil ry, maar kan nie die kar hê.
Ah, Saps is nou op pad. Ek gaan gou afry en kyk of hy
Net versigtig.
Ja.
Ek het 'n gut feeling hulle sê, weet jy daar's 'n mamma huisietjie met 'n voetgangetjie in. Hier hy spore kry. Maar as jy daar moet weet hulle gaan jou skiet. En dan sê jy van onderaf hierdie kant van die brug op terug.
Ja. Nou, ek maar kyk of ek ietsie sien. Ja.
Daar wag vir die brug.
Yes.
Hulle gaan loop.
Very firm. Alpha 2 November Juliet 3. I spoke to the guy from PHP now that saw the vehicle. That's standing off with the other vehicle that we recovered, the positive case one. He says that vehicle flew in here Golden Drive. So that vehicle is, he watched it, they didn't climb on the N12, it went up Golden Drive. So I've shot back to Golden Drive now to see if I can't see the vehicle here. But he says the vehicle went to Golden Drive.
November Unit 3, November 73.
Standing by, Sen.
Is that the one for the robbery at Coachella at I-20?
That's a papa, yeah, that's a papa.
Apparently, also that Saps was also checking the vehicle down Golden Drive. Okay, copy, perfect. I will relay the message. See if I can make contact with him.
Down.
safety.
Yeah, no, there was more. We were standing with that one vehicle that we got for the SA Air Force guy, and then they put on sniper. There was a vehicle that robbed someone there by dingoes, Lakefield Shell. And while we're standing on scene, lo and behold, the vehicle hits 5th Avenue coming towards us, checks us, makes a U-turn. We start chasing down, it makes a U-turn again, and they dumped the vehicle here in Golden Drive. Suspects ran, we just couldn't catch them, they ran into Zamma territory. So yeah, but vehicle recovered, fraudulent papers used to get the vehicle from Europe car.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the Sniper team for more information.